Hi, Shraddha.
Hi, Shraddha. Good evening. Yeah.
Hi, Kanchan. Hi. Okay, Shraddha. Now it's over to you. I think everyone is set, right? Right. Yes. Yeah. Over to you, Shraddha. Thank you so much. Okay. Sure. Just give me a moment. Yeah. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How are you? Thank you so much.
I'm good. Yeah. Okay. So before we start, can you give me a brief intro on what all technical expertise you have? Also in terms of R-based services, right? How would you rate yourself?
Okay, so you want my full introduction or just you want me to
No,
generate?
just the technologies you have been working
So
along with the Power BI services.
yeah, I do have experience with Excel, Power BI, and the SQL. So in Power BI, I'm highly skilled in using Power BI for data visualization and analysis. So this include creating interactive report and dashboard connecting to various data sources, including SQL database, and implementing complex data transformation and calculation using text. And I do have the knowledge about to work on the SQL and Excel, and yeah. So after generating the report and the dashboard, I do publish all the report and dashboard into the Power BI services where you can share the access to the shareholders.
Okay, great. So
No, I haven't worked on the Power BI admin side, but they have the work to provide the access and the work permission for the according to the role and the like pro and premium access to the end user.
okay, great. Uh,
By default, one workspace is there, like you can create there, but you can create according to the user. Each user can create like additional create manual by user appropriate permission by administrator or shared report and dashboard.
so without creating, I'm not creating any workspace. I mean, by default, when you publish any Power BI
So
dashboards, so
that that is one workspace only. That's called my workspace.
okay, great. Okay.
Yes, we can share the that report to the other users. We have to provide the access, like according to the user. We have to provide the access for that, like like
Okay.
that. Like my workspace, personal workspace, we cannot share, but they can create their workspace directly. So we can provide the access for that, like admin user, viewer. That way we can share.
Okay. Okay. So what?
Rules means you are talking about the accesses like admin member, these rule okay, admin member, contributor or viewers rule you're talking about. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So admin means who have full control. Like I have created the report in Power BI, so I will have full control over the workspace. I can add and remove the and modify setting and manage content into the Power BI services. And if member if we have given access for member, so we can edit, publish and manage content, but cannot modify a workspace setting or remove admins there. On contributor can create contributor can create or edit content like report or dashboard, but cannot manage workspace or share content. Or viewer just
Okay.
they just can read or access to report and dashboard. They cannot interact with the content, but cannot edit or create new content.
Great.
Data centralization means if you have created multiple report, so you will refer you will have the practice. Your all data will be into consolidated data will be on into the workspace on the same workspace, like on the one common space. So that is called one like unified data will be there, so that is called data
So
centralization.
so I'm asking about
Yeah, you are talking about the semantic models and all, right?
right.
Yeah, so semantic model, you have the data set into the Power BI service. You have created all the data in data and report there, and you will publish that report uh, into the Power BI services. That will be on the report side. So that is called like multiple report will be onto works one particular space. So that is the like semantic model of the that particular report, like bunch of reports for that particular dashboard. Certifying a data set.
Right.
So, like in the marketing database as trusted source for reporting and analysis, when a data set is certified, is indicate that it has been validated and approved for use by the organizations. So it helps to identify the reliable data set or improve governance or enhance confidence or data being used or decision making.
Okay. Uh, have you worked?
The gateway is
So
a
what are
connected like a connector between the data source and the Power BI reports. So it connects
okay?
so it can be multiple type on premises, personal, or you can install or configure according to your data.
So what's the difference between uh, the data gateways that we have, shared and personal?
Like on premises data set you're talking about, or personal data set, right?
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
The personal and on-premise, I think they both are the same, right?
Yeah, so on premises data gateway is used for connection for local data source such as SQL Server, Oracle, and other database. And personal
Okay,
at a like it is a personal a lightweight version suitable for individual use. It support refresh or data sets that only the user can access.
okay.
Mhm. And gateway we use for refresh the data set, like data refresh gateway enable to schedule and on demand data refresh, ensuring that report and dashboard display at the latest data. So and
Okay.
the ad hmm.
Yeah, please go ahead.
And the management is like administration can manage gateway setting, like monitor performance and assign the data source credential through the Power BI admin portal.
Just give me a moment.
Two type of data refresh are there, like we can do manually or we can do the schedule refresh also,
Okay.
like into the Power BI service, we can if we do the schedule refresh, so for that we need a pro license or premium license, or and manually we can do anytime whenever we want. We will put the refresh there and it will get refresh according to that. So into the pro license, if you want me to explain the license wise refresh details.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, so in schedule refresh in pro license, it up to the 8 refresh per day, maximum of 56 per week we can refresh. Or premium per case, if we have the license with the premium per capacity, up to 48 times refresh we can do per day. Or on demand refresh you can manually trigger as a refresh that anytime regardless of schedule refresh, like you can do that on manually. And if the data set is connected through the data source directly, so it will like this method retrieve the data on the real time basis. Like if the data sources get refreshed, then your data into the Power BI services data will refresh automatically.
Right. Acha, have you worked on
Your data is connected directly through the data, so it will be refreshed automatically through the direct query and the live connection.
okay? Acha, have you created dash?
Like a dashboard alerts means if there is any problem into your data and if it is not getting refresh, so the mail should comes on your mail, right? Refresh alerts and everything, like if something is like if data is not
So
getting
so in Power
refreshes.
BI, data alerts there.
I have created for the data refresh. Like if the data is not refreshing, like if your data is not connected somewhere, so then you will get the message alert or mail alert to on your mail. So for the data refresh, we can create like for visual like card or
Great, great,
KPI.
great.
We can
Acha,
click
regarding refresh,
for that. Like if we want to create a like visual alert, so we can create like visual. We can select the ellipsis, three dots there into the upper right corner onto the like into the visual, and we can create alerts into the manage alert. So that we
great,
can
great.
do.
Okay, have you implemented?
Yes, I have created where your data is huge. like 5 years or 10 years data. So you do, if you have loaded the data, so you don't have to be refresh whole data. You just select the date, like from this date to this date, you want to refresh the data, so according to that your data will get refreshed into the Power BI. So you
Great,
just
great.
I got the JD, and like JD have do have the administrator
Training.
profile. Yeah, so it is like you. I have to, like, what is the actual JD actually? What is the work task only? It is very term.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yeah, it is actually. So we are in process of migrating most of the dashboards to Power BI, right? So we need somebody to have one of Power BI admin role, but who has worked a bit on the Power BI side. Could be an analyst, right? Uh, Regarding services, it's all about the existing. So definitely, yeah. So it's our so it is like we are looking for a Power BI analyst or admin type, right?
Okay, yeah. And how many rounds of interview will be there? Like if someone is cleared this round.
It will three or four rounds, right? Right.
Okay,
Definitely, you'll get an answer from HR regarding these questions. Okay.
sure. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Anshul.
Nice talking to you. Bye. Thank you.